I'm Dorothy Vincent. I'm from Morgan Hill, California, which is just outside of San Jose. I am a real estate broker, an investor, as a note investor, and many other things. I've been in the state data since 2016. If you had asked Avery, why did I join the big two? I went through the trifecta of financial disaster with the bankruptcy, a short sale, and a divorce. And the congregation did all of that in 2014. And I made a huge investment. I used the big table in 2016. 2 years later, 3 years later, 4 years later, if you asked what my worst financial decision was, I would have said that. The victim was quite the and I say that unashamed, but I never stopped coming, and everything turned around when I started doing my severe and leaning into the songs that we have here with the estimating. Hey, this is the turnaround, and I was a slow learner, but I've done so well. And if you ask me the last 4 years, what was my best financial decision that I've ever made, it was to align myself to hobbies. I have made connections that have made me a lot of money. I have made decisions and made entities that finally make sense. And it is such a comfortable place to be, the most uncomfortable place to be in order to spell.